Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant 2025 batch GenC Aptitude exam cutoff. As we know that candidates completed the aptitude assessment today on 8th May and tomorrow 9th May. And after that your next is technical exam. This is for GenC, GenC Pro and GenC Next role. All the videos for all of you, and I already created all the separate playlist for all of you that is related to Cognizant 25 batch, in which you will find the aptitude exam cutoff for first phase, technical assessment 25 and exam cutoff, exam result, okay, for the first phase. As we know that Cognizant second phase exam date is here, okay, and like most probably we know that what is the second phase exam date. The second phase exam date is start from the 5th May. 5th May is basically communication round, okay, communication assessment, and 8th and 9th May is aptitude assessment, okay, and most probably by 12th May we will receive the update of technical assessment. So this is all about the 2025 batch second phase. But what about the hiring process? We know that hiring process and timelines are there. Registration, screening, round 1 is communication assessment, round 2 is aptitude assessment and technical assessment, and you will be shortlisted for the round 3, that is in person. But there is a update for the 2024 batch. Now the interviews are virtual, okay, so we are expecting for the same for the 2025 batch, the interviews are virtual, okay. We are expecting that at the present time when they will declare the results, so at that time we will get to know about the interview is virtual or in person. And after the completion of communication assessment, aptitude assessment and technical assessment, you will be shortlisted for either one of the role, GenC Next, GenC Pro and the GenC role, and after that they will release the LOI, letter of intent, okay. And it is mandatory to appear for communication, aptitude and technical assessment to be eligible for technical interview. You have to perform very well in communication round, aptitude round and technical assessment round in eligible for the technical interview, okay. Your 3 of the assessment performance is mandatory for the technical interview. That's the most important thing. So let's discuss about the aptitude exam cutoff, because this video is related to aptitude exam. We know that in aptitude exam 80 minutes times are there, okay. 2 sections are there, quant and game based aptitude. 30 question 30 minutes are there for the quant, and 4 section 9 minutes per section game based assessment. These are the section: deductive reasoning, switch challenge, gap challenge, motion challenge and inductive reasoning CLX, okay. So what about the expected cutoff of Cognizant aptitude exam? Total 30 question 30 minutes are there for the quant. The cutoff varies, okay. The cutoff will be depends on many of the condition, how many number of open seats for the position, okay. What is the difficulty level of examination? The examination is hard or the examination is at the medium level or at the easy level, okay. If you solve the 40 to 20 questions, so the cutoff varies in between that. If you solve the 20 to 25 plus question, there is a high chances that you cleared the quant cutoff, okay, and you will be eligible for the next step. In the gamified assessment, easy to medium, 4 sections are there and level are there. How many number of level you passed? Suppose you passed the 8 level, 11 level, 23 level, 20 level, like this, okay. So how many number of level passed? So it will like this, and the most probably if you solve the 20 plus question correct, so there is a high chances 20 to 25 or 25 plus question correct, there is a high chances that you clear the aptitude exam cutoff, okay. First of all, this is the candidate, those candidate who perform in the 2024 batch phase 1 examination, and their performance is this. In technical examination, I solved 2 SQL, 2 Java, 1 HTML, and my performance in aptitude is average. Will I get interview mail? Candidate got the interview mail for GenC Pro role. We know that GenC is the first role, GenC Pro is second big role, and the GenC Next is the first big role, okay. So the thing is, according to your performance in the technical assessment, aptitude assessment and communication assessment, you will receive the interview mail. One of the candidate whose performance is this: communication is moderate, aptitude score 23 plus. Suppose you solve the 20 to 20 plus question in the aptitude, okay, 20 to 25 plus, there is a high chances that you cleared the cutoff. And in the gaming based, candidate pass the level 6 11, 23, 21. These are the number of level candidate passed. And in technical, 2 SQL done, 1 C# done with HTML CSS part. Okay, so candidate selected for the GenC category interview. Okay, candidate selected for GenC, and according to your performance you will selected for GenC next role as well. Okay, so you have to perform very well in your examination. Again I am saying, okay, communication assessment, technical assessment, aptitude assessment, all over, all the 3 assessment is mandatory for the technical interview. Okay, that's the most important thing. And the next is technical assessment. The technical assessment is on 12th May. Most probably we will receive the update by 11th May or 10th May. Okay, and the technical assessment will be in the phases. Phases means like on the 12th May, on the 13th May. And in the technical assessment total 3 clusters are there. Cluster number 1, cluster number 2, cluster number 3. Cluster number 1 is Java, NC, SQL, HTML, CSS. 85% question will be on Java and NC, SQL. Skill cluster number 2, Python. 85% question will be on Python and NC, SQL. C#, 85% question will be on C# and NC, SQL. So the thing is, I already created video for all of you. Cognizant Technical Assessment 25, Cognizant GenC Technical Assessment exam pattern and question 2 weeks ago. This is the 2025 batch updated video 2 weeks ago. Just in the first phase on 24th April I created this video. I already mentioned how to check which cluster is allocated. Okay, because the thing is, suppose if you not selected any of the cluster, so by default your cluster will be cluster 1. Okay, suppose you choose the cluster 2 or cluster 3, so they will allocate you either one of the cluster or they will allocate you by default cluster. Okay, so they clearly mention final decision of mapping skill cluster for technical assessment is sole discretion of Cognizant. If you are selected, you should be flexible to learn any skill area during training basis on business demand. And after that I created video of Cognizant exam cutoff, Cognizant exam result, interview timeline and everything. Okay, this is all about the 2025 batch update, second phase update, and we are waiting for the next technical assessment. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.